When you need your roof or siding replaced, call On Target Remodeling. We like to go the extra mile by providing you with a 3D model of your home. This allows us to give accurate measurements of both roof segments and siding segments, including window and door openings. One of the powerful features that you can use as a customer is the ability to design your house. You can select a brand of shingles and change the color to suit your desires. You can also choose siding. Choose a style and a color to see what suits your needs.